Hi friends, it's me, Mr. JT, and today we're getting crafty outside. Today, we're going to be making soft sculpture wall hangings, so you can decorate your house with them. Here are the basic things that you're going to need for today's project. Yarn and sticks. Step 1, go and find some sticks and other stuff. Step 2, let's cover our stick in yarn. So I always start mine just with a tiny knot at one end. Now wrap your entire stick in yarn. It's totally fine if a little bit shows through. I think that's really cute. Looking at the finished product, you can see that I've added pom-poms, a snazzy little walnut that I painted stars onto, and this cool tassel made out of yarn. So I encourage you, go around your yard and find other natural materials to add to your sculpture, but I'm about to show you how to make this cool little tassel. First method, all we're gonna do is take some lengths of yarn and then one long piece, and then toward the top, we're gonna get it and just tie them all together a few times. And this, I just make lots and lots of knots during this project. I don't use a ton of glue until it comes time to decorate it. And we're gonna give it a snip there, and then we're gonna give it a nice haircut. There we go. And there's your first cute little kind of tassel. Hey everybody, for the second method, you're gonna need yarn that is a little bit longer. You're gonna take it and we're gonna tie the yarn into a knot. This is almost too short. Whew, there we go. And then once you have that top knot, you can do a little cleanup work. As you can see, one little piece got away from us. Well, that's okay. Bye, thank you for your service. And then let's see, we're gonna choose to take it down to about right there. Okay. So we're cutting it, tying it, and then using another small piece of yarn to tie it again. You see? And then that makes one that's a little bit fluffier. So you've got some options. Have your stick covered and your tassels and decorations made. Then it's time to have a hot glue party, decorate everything. And last but not least, so that you can actually hang it on the wall, don't forget to save a length of yarn so that you can attach it and hang it up in your room. Until next time I see you, my name is Mr. JT. Thank you for joining the Dixon today.